In the United States, the immigration debate is now proving to be having a significant bearing on the country's economic landscape. New research from the San Francisco Federal Reserve shows that the sharp slowdown in unauthorized immigration is coinciding with weaker job growth, especially in sectors that depend heavily on migrant labor. The study tracked the surge in unauthorized immigration beginning in 2021 and the slowdown that started around March 2024. And it found a clear pattern. Employment growth strengthened when worker inflows rose and slowed when those inflows declined. Revised job figures released last week show the US economy added about 181,000 jobs in 2025. That is significantly lower than 1.459 million jobs added in 2024. That's a drop of nearly 88%. While multiple economic factors are at play, economists say immigration trends are emerging as one important piece of the story. The study tracked inflows of unauthorized immigrant workers across local labor markets. And this is what it found. Regions that saw the biggest declines in these worker inflows also recorded the largest slowdowns in employment growth, particularly in construction, manufacturing, and services. The construction sector showed the most visible impact. Economists warn that fewer available workers could slow residential building activity and in turn affect the growth of housing supply. The findings come as the Trump administration continues to tighten immigration enforcement. Measures include expanded deportation procedures, stricter asylum eligibility rules, increased workplace enforcement, and greater cooperation between federal and local law enforcement agencies. The administration argues stricter controls will protect domestic workers and reduce housing demand pressures. However, critics warn that labor shortages could intensify in sectors already struggling to find workers. Federal Reserve economists say employment growth could remain under pressure as long as unauthorized immigrant worker inflows continue to decline. That means immigration policy may increasingly shape not just border debates, but also housing supply, manufacturing output, and overall labor market momentum in the coming years. Now the worry is if the US economy maintains growth while labor supply tightens, or will immigration policy begin to change the job market scenario in more ways than expected? Follow Business Standard for more stories.